Here we are at Fanimation Museum. This is a Lasko Contemporary. Levi's already got his eye on which fan we're going to watch next. This is a pretty blue one. Levi, stay here with me. I don't want you to accidentally knock into something. Fans, fans, fans.
Yeah.
The rule is you can't get a new remote until the other fan spins down. So you have to watch each one of them spin down, or at least just wait. While I'm waiting for that, there's some pretty neat fans here, but we're not allowed to touch them. Yeah, I see all of them. There's one here that there's a remote, but it doesn't spin. And I'm not going to pull on that chain because it says not to. It says don't touch any of the fans, and I certainly don't want to break the rules. It's almost stopped. Okay, thanks for watching.